everyone, welcome back to Engineer Designs. Today I'm going to share with you guys my May bullet journal setup. Before we move on, I quickly want to share the stationery that I've used. I have used pastel shades of Stabilo pens, 3 shades of Tombow dual pens along with the black color, and for my hand lettering I've used one of my very favorite pens, that is Tombow Fudonosuke brush pen. It's with the hard tip, and a very basic black fine liner. For writing the tasks and the lists inside the bullet journal, I've used Pentel Energel 0.25 mm and Uniball Signo Broad 1 mm. That's all I've used for the month of May. Being very honest, this is my very first time making a bullet journal for all the tasks that I want to do in the coming month and the productivity that I really want to keep a track on. With everything going on these days, I'm home all the time as everyone else, and somehow I feel very productive on things I really wanted to do from a very long time. I feel like this is a great time to catch up on the same. And I think making a journal could really help me keep a track of everything in a productive manner, and that's why I choose to do that, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you liked the video, so let's get started with it. As you guys can see, I have chosen a citrus theme for the month of the May. As summer is here, this theme goes perfect with this time of the year, I think. For this theme, I've chosen yellow, orange and 2 shades of green. I've gone for light pastel shades as I wanted to look bright as well as modern at the same time. For creating the citrus fruits, I have made circles around my page as guides. Inside each, I have created random sized triangles with rounded corners to give it a more real feel. And obviously, I've gone for the easy doodles rather than making it more difficult because it's my first time doing it. So yeah, I've gone a little bit light on that. In the other empty spaces, I've added leaves of different sizes to match with the theme. I've made a 2-sided view where on one side I've written a quote about lemons, and on the other side there is the name of the month that I'm making the journal for. For my code, I have used different types of hand lettering styles to make it more fun. I really loved how it turned out actually. Moving on to our next pages, I'm going to create a weekly spread. I've divided the page into 4 blocks, creating a 2x2 horizontal view, giving each day of the week their own block. I actually have quite some tasks to be done in the coming month, because of which I need a descriptive space to put my to-dos under each day. I've used the same hand lettering style as May of my cover page to match the month theme along with the date in the orange color, and then I have completed the rest of the days in a similar manner. At the end of the page view, I've added a quote relating to self-worth, which makes me feel motivated. At the top of the page, I'm adding a little black background calendar for May along with the citrus fruits covering the rest of the area. For the next weekly spread, I have taken a 3-column layout on each page with the date on the top of each and the day highlighted in the box but on the top with different theme color. I have given the bottom area to the citrus fruits to match up with the theme and then repeating the same for all the boxes. On to the next page, I have created a mood tracker by drawing half lemons and giving each triangle, also known as carpel in a fruit, a date to record the track of my moods. I have just darkened it with fine liner and I will be coloring each day as it comes by. This page was actually quite fun to draw. I think it will turn out to be really colorful. For the heading, I have chosen an elongated font and made leaves in between to add depth in the title, following with the highlighted lines on the side. I have followed the same technique for the habit tracker heading. Created mini calendars for each habit that I want to keep track on, with the name on top of each, highlighting it with the theme color. I have used all the different colors to make it look more colorful and bright. I've created my remaining weekly spreads in the same theme and similar hand lettering styles, but different looking than the first weekly spread because I enjoy doing that. Now the last part of the May journal was to color in all the citrus fruits with all the different colors. This was the most fun part for me in the whole process. I really enjoyed doing that. I was very happy to see the end result after completing everything that was there in the May journal. Okay, so let's go through the whole look of the May journal as it's complete now. I created a weekly goals page along with the first week spread of May. This is how it looks. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you do and the subscribe button to stay tuned with all the upcoming videos. I really appreciate it you watching till the end. See you next time and bye bye for now.